If you're buying a new smart TV in 2026, you've probably narrowed it down to two choices: Google TV or Samsung's Tizen OS. So, which one is actually better? After spending time with both, I'd say it really depends on what you value most. Google TV easily wins when it comes to content discovery and app support. The interface feels modern, recommendations are personalized, and since it runs on Android, you get access to a massive app library through the Google Play Store. Plus, Google Assistant integration is excellent if you're already in the Google ecosystem. On the other hand, Tizen OS is all about speed and simplicity. It feels incredibly smooth, launches apps quickly, and Samsung has done a great job keeping the interface clean and easy to navigate. It's also packed with gaming features, making it a fantastic choice if you own a console. The downside? Tizen doesn't offer as many apps as Google TV, while Google TV can sometimes feel a little slower on lower-end TVs. So which one wins? If you want the smartest, most versatile platform, Google TV takes the crown. But if you value speed, stability, and a polished experience, Tizen OS is hard to beat. Honestly, you can't go wrong with either. But for most people in 2026, Google TV just has the edge.